Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best wood and metal full-size futon bed frames that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the DHP Lodge Black Convertible Futon Couch Bed. Doral Home Products is committed to providing unique and functional furniture pieces at affordable prices. The DHP Lodge Futon is perfectly sized for small spaces, and the simple yet unique contemporary design lends a relaxed and sophisticated look. The lush microfiber upholstery, extra padded seats, and tufted upholstery make it an ideal couch or bed for any room decor and easy to clean. A multi-position back makes it easy to convert this sofa from sitting and lounging to a comfortable sleeper bed. Besides the sleek, space-saving design, it's also amazingly simple to assemble with no tools required and comes in one convenient box. Maximize your space with functionality, style, and comfort with the DHP Lodge Futon. Set up this futon in minutes, everything you need is inside the box. Once assembled, this futon couch measures 71.5 x 35 x 32 h. The sleeping dimensions are 39 inches D by 71.5 W by 14.5 h. Moving on, at number 4, we have the DHP Henley Motor Futon Sofa Bed Convertible Couch. Sleek and stylish with its rounded edges, tufting and chrome legs. DHP's Henley Convertible Futon has a modern look that is fitting for most rooms. The sofa easily adjusts from sitting to lounging to sleeping positions and features a split back for added versatility. Upholstered in eye-catching gray or navy linen, the futon has a different feel from its faux leather counterpart. The cushions are full and stay firm even after daily use, and the polyester and foam filling provides ample comfort. The versatility, modern appeal and sleek design of the Henley split-back futon make it perfect for any home or office space. At number 3, we have the Kodiak Monterey Futon Frame in Barbados Finish. The Monterey Futon frame in Barbados finish is a durable type with the best frame construction. It's a convertible type that will see you sleep, rest and sit at your convenience. Since it comes from a quality frame, you will like the years it serves you. Lastly, the model is easy to assemble and converts fully into a bed for sleeping. The Monterey Futon features a classic hardwood frame with mission-style arms. This unique and versatile full-size futon sofa easily converts to a bed. This multifunctional piece of furniture can find a home in just about any type of room. The included mattress measures 75 x 54 x 8 h and has 276 coil-hinged springs for extra comfort. Maximum distributed weight, 500 pounds. At number 2, we have the fashion bed Saturn Black Adjustable Metal Futon Frame. Are you looking for a way to comfortably host your visitors for a night? Well, go for this frame. It's a metal type designed for durability. You will like the way it easily converts to a bed for resting. Additionally, the metal frame features a lovely size that will hold a mattress correctly for your visitors. Again, this bed features adjustable metals to get you the best fit. It's smooth and hence adds decor to your room. Futons offer lifestyle solutions to meet your needs. Constructed of steel for strong support and long life, this adjustable futon features an almost indestructible, industrial frame that can travel anywhere. The Saturn can also be converted from a classic sitting piece to a bed in a matter of moments. Just grasp the front deck rein and pull towards you until the sleep surface is flat. Simply grasp the back corner and pull up until the Saturn's in a sitting position. The smooth, cool touch of the metal adds the perfect texture when you use the Saturn futon as either a couch or bed. Fashioned with a pure black finish, arched arms and a sturdy back, the Saturn makes a world of difference in terms of style, comfort and durability. Whether completing a guest room, adding comfort to a home office, or offering quick and easy accommodations to overnight guests, the Saturn will accomplish the task in style. This unit includes a front deck, back deck, 2 side panels, cross rails, instruction sheet, and hardware bag with everything needed for easy assembly. And finally at number 1, we have the DHP Henley Black Sturdy Metal Futon Frame. The modern industry brings to you the DHP Henley Metal Arm Futon Frame. It's a low-designed bed for easy use. It easily converts to a sofa when the need arises. This is ideal for utilizing and saving space. Since its smooth and excellent design, you will like it in your living room. Lastly, the DHP Henley Metal Arm Futon Frame is rust-free due to the black color. The recent rise of modern industrial design can be seen in every room in the house, from wood and metal dining sets to metal-studded coffee tables and bookshelves made from old piping. So it's no surprise that the versatile Henley futon captures this look perfectly for just about any room in the house. The all-metal futon frame ensures lots of stability, with a mesh base and back to offer a comfortable place to sit back or lounge around. Plus the studded side panels made for a stunning look. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.